Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Apple gift card on Shein. So let's get into the video. So open up Shein. So let me open up here. So once you've opened up, then log into your account if you have an account. So I've already logged into mine. So what I'm going to do, if I'm going to use my gift card, let me add an item to my cart. So just add anything that you wish to purchase, add it to your cart. Then once you have added to your cart, so you need to do hit on the select the item and then hit on the checkout option. So when you get to the checkout option here, so what you're going to do, you're going to use, if you want to use your Apple gift card, so scroll down and you will see an option called gift card option here. Simply click on it, and then what you have to do is provide the details of your gift card, your Apple gift card. So just provide that and then hit on apply. As long as you have sufficient funds, your card will be accepted. And then what you can do, you can then once you've applied it, you can just click and complete this transaction. Just make a note of this, that sometimes it might this gift card option might only work depending on certain regions, because some regions Shein allows Apple gift cards and some doesn't. So just give it a go and try if it works for you or for your region. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.